Welcome again. In this video, I want to show you how to configuring, verifying, and troubleshooting VLAN and trunking. This is the packet tracer environment. As you see the diagram or the topology. In this topology, we have three switches, which is switch 1, switch 2, and switch 3, and multiple workstations, each workstation located to a specific VLAN. For example, PC1 and PC4 are located in VLAN 10, PC2 and PC5 are located in VLAN 20, PC3 and PC6 are located in VLAN 30. The default configuration of a Cisco switch is to put all interfaces in VLAN 1 or the default VLAN. You can verify this with the show VLAN brief command. In the enable mode, type show VLAN brief. Look at this. All interfaces are in the default VLAN and there are no VLAN 10, 20 and 30. And they are the reserved VLANs that we discussed. Next, a VLAN is created in one of two ways, either in global configuration mode or directly under the interface. The advantage to configuring in global configuration mode is that you can then assign a name with the name VLAN name command. The advantage to configuring the VLAN in interface configuration mode is that you assign the VLAN to the interface and create the VLAN with just one command. However, to name the VLAN, you still have to go back to the global configuration method. Let's do it, creating VLANs 10, 20, and 30 using these two methods. Before we configuring the VLANs, let's check the connectivity between workstations. Let's see if PC1 can ping PC4. Go to command prompt and type here ping 192.168.10.4, which is PC4 IP address. See, the connectivity between PC1 and PC4 is okay. Now, creating the VLANs, go to switch 1, configure terminal, VLAN 10, name students, VLAN 20, name finance, VLAN 30, name, for example, HR, and W or SEP. Go to switch 3, configure terminal, VLAN 10, name students, VLAN 20, name finance, VLAN 30, name HR, and W or SEP. Go to switch 2, VLAN 10, name students. In switch 2, I want to configure VLAN 20 in interface configuration mode. Go to in global config mode, type here interface fast ethernet 0/6. It is the interface which is connected to PC2. Type here switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20. See the messages. Access VLAN does not exist. creating VLAN 20. It is automatically create the VLAN 20. And now we go to back in the global config mode, type here VLAN 20, specify a name. For example, name finance. Exit VLAN 30, name HR, and WR set. Okay, to verify this VLANs, type in enable mode show VLAN brief. Look at this. All the VLANs are created, but only VLAN 20 is assigned to an interface, which is we created VLAN 20 in interface configuration mode. To assign the remaining interfaces to the VLANs, either you can configure one interface at a time, or you can use the range command to configure all the interfaces that belong to a VLAN with one comment. For switch 2 and switch 3, we are assigning the range of interfaces to specific VLANs. For example, the interface range faster than net 0/1 up to 5 to VLAN 10, and the interface range faster than net 0/6 up to 10 to VLAN 20, and interface faster than net 0/11 up to 15 to VLAN 30. Let's do it. Go to switch 3 and type here interface range faster than 0/1 up to 5, switch port mode access, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10. Exit interface range faster than 0/6 up to 10, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20. Exit interface range faster than 0/11 up to 15, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 30, and WR save the configuration. Okay, go to switch 2, type here interface range faster than 0/1 up to 5, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10. Exit interface range faster than 0/6 up to 10, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20. Exit interface range faster than 0/12 up to 15, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 30, and WR, and save the configuration. The show VLAN brief command verifies that all interfaces specified and have been assigned to the appropriate VLAN. Notice that the unassigned interface still belongs to the default VLAN. You can also verify a specific interface VLAN assignment with the show interfaces type number switch port comment. For example, in switch 2, type in enable mode show interfaces faster than 0/1 switch port. Look at this. The interface is in access mode located in VLAN 10 for students. Let's check connectivity between workstations again. If PC1 can ping PC4, ping 192.168.10.4. As you see, request timeout. It means no reply from PC4 and no connection between workstations. Why there is no connection between workstations? As we discussed the concept of VLAN trunking, when assigning VLANs to switches, interface between switches must be in a trunk mode. We should configure this to interface as a trunk and also configure the management and native VLAN. It is a security-based practice. We are configuring a different VLAN for the management and default VLAN. In a production network, you would want to use different one for each, one for the management VLAN and one for the default VLAN. In this scenario, we are using VLAN 99 for both. Configure terminal VLAN 99 name management and native. And WR save. Go to switch 2. Configure terminal VLAN 99 name management and native, and save the configuration. Go to switch 3. Configure terminal VLAN 99 name management and native, and save the configuration. Depending on the switch model and Cisco IOS version, DTP might have already established trunking between two switches that are directly connected. For example, the 2960 switch's default trunk configuration is dynamic auto, and in this configuration, the interface does not initiate trunk negotiations. We should manually configure the trunk mode. In a switch 1, interface range gigabit Ethernet 0/1 and 2, switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk native VLAN 99, and save the configuration. If you wait for the next round of CDP messages, you should get the error message, native VLAN mismatch. Repeat the trunking command on S2 and S3 to correct the native VLAN mismatch. See? Native VLAN mismatch discovered on gigabit Ethernet 0/1. And also go to switch 2, type here configure terminal interface gigabit Ethernet 0/1 switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk native VLAN 99, and then end, save the configuration. Go to switch 3, configure terminal interface gigabit Ethernet 0/2 switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk native VLAN 99, and save the configuration. For verifying this configuration, type in, see, status is trunking and native VLAN is 99, and also allow it VLANs or this VLANs 10, 20, 30 and 99, or show interface gigabit Ethernet 0/1 switchboard. C, operational mode is trunking, and also administrative mode is trunk, and trunk native mode VLAN 99. Yeah, let's check the connection again. Ping 192.168.10.4. Yes, the connection between workstation are okay. And that's all for this video, and thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends.